Okay, so this is a 52-inch Hampton Bay Waterton ceiling fan that is installed in the dining room at a Roblox house. Now that I filmed all those videos, well, I filmed the Hampton Bay Huntington 3 over there. That's in the great room. Well, there's another one somewhere, but yeah, let me get to start. Here's the light, and this fan does not have the screw-away fixtures. Here's the light for that. Here's low. And I have to be careful while stepping off this table. And I have to stand on the table in order for me to reach the pole chains for this fan. And for the Huntington 3 in the family room, I have to use a custom knob. There's like a knob for me to turn on the fan. Well, I do film a couple Hampton Bay fans. I think this is only a couple ones of one of those Hampton Bay fans. And there's a couple fans in there, but I'm going to put those in the separate videos because I'm only going to film this fan today. I'll show medium. Medium. Here's medium. Let's look at this fan. The Christmas tree is still up in there. If you might want to know what that ticking is, it's a clock. There's like a clock next to that shelf. And I changed my profile picture. My profile. Which I have wolf skin appearance. And I still have shades and man hair. And I still have that Happy New Year rat on my shoulder. I don't know why I just do it. Anyways, here's high. See, that's why I need to be careful. Because of that reason. Here's high. Give you a close look at this fan. Show you it up. Oops. Okay, here's high with the light. I don't know why I did that for some reason. The screen must be out of focus today. Anyways, that's it. Hope you enjoyed. Please like and subscribe and stay tuned for more.